morning, dear student. We already discussed up to fifth day of the class, and today we discuss the day 6. Clear? In the day 6, we discuss real number and fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Here, you already know fundamental theorem means their basic rule, and theorem of arithmetic. Arithmetics के basic rules of the arithmetic. Arithmetic means it is a part of mathematics, and in arithmetic we discuss about number only. Clear? Then suppose any number other than 1. It means any number other than 1 like 4, 6, 7, 8, 125, 160 etc. Clear? It is written in the form of unique factorization of prime number. Each and every number except one, each and every number except one are written, are expressed in the form of unique prime factorization. Prime factorization means like 4. 4 is written 2 into 2. Each 2 are the prime number. Then 4 are written 2 into 2 are 2 square. In the same, 6 is written 2 into 3. 2 and 3 both are the prime number and both are the unique. In the same way, 7 is already prime number. Clear? 8 is written 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 cube. In the same, 125 is written 5 into 5 into 5. Each 5 are the prime number. Then 5 cube. 160 is written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Clear? Then it is 2 to the power 5 into 5. It means each number either it is composite or it is prime. Written in the factors of unique prime number. It is called the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Clear? Here we discuss. You see here 4, 6, 7, 8. It is a number. Clear? It is a number other than 1. It means it is a composite number and prime number. Then each composite number and prime number. Prime number is already unique, but each composite number are written in the form of their unique prime factors. Is that clear? In the same way, finally you say every composite number, here we can write every composite number written its unique prime factors. It is called the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Is that clear? If you want to write, then you can proceed. See again, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What you can do here? Each composite number are expressed in the term of unique prime factors. Like 4 is a composite number, then 4, 2 into 2, and it is unique. It means in the same 160, it is 2 to the power 5 into 5 is the unique prime factors. In the same way, one more question I discuss. Suppose in the question, because in our board examination it is MCQ type of question, then it may be possible. Suppose in any question it is 123, 135, 124, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 are written. Clear? And ask in the question, what is the ones digit? Clear? What is the ones digit of their product? Clear? Then what we can do? In this multiplication, we can multiply only the ones place. Clear? Then see, 3 into 5 into 4 into 9. Clear? 3 5 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60, 3 5 ja 15, and in 15 the ones place is 5, and 5 4 ja 20, and the ones place it is 0, and 0 9 ja 0. Then in this product ones place or unit place is 0. Clear? In the same, see in next question, suppose 1 3 5 7 into 2 3 5 3 6 7 8 into 4 3 5 6 7 9, and if the question, what is the last digit of the product? Clear? Then what we can do? We can multiply only the ones place each and every numbers. Then here 7 5 ja 35, and the ones place there is 5. Then 5 8 ja 40, and the ones place there is 0, and 0 9 ja 0. Clear? In the same way, one more question are here. Suppose it is asked, n to the power m. Check n to the power m is end with. End with means ones place, and the ones place end with 0 or not. Clear? Then what we can do? Here we can factorize the n. Clear? Then we can write all the prime factors of n. Clear? Write all the prime factors of n. Clear? Then after, in second step, if in prime factors of n only 2 and 5 both comes, then it end with 0. Here, if a prime